Alright, let's talk about the rumor that has the entire crypto community buzzing. It seems like everywhere you look, on social media, in forums, and across countless group chats, everyone is asking the same question. Is Pi Network, the mobile-first cryptocurrency with a massive following, finally getting its big break? The rumor mill is churning at full speed, pointing to a specific date that has been circled on every crypto speculator's calendar, August 15, 2025. A listing on Binance, the undisputed king of cryptocurrency exchanges, is more than just a technical step, it's a powerful stamp of legitimacy. Every great rumor has an origin story, and this one is no different. The whispers of a Pi Network listing on Binance didn't just appear out of thin air. The initial spark seems to have come from the more technical corners of the crypto community. Some users claim to have spotted something unusual on Binance's testnet environment. They allege that a PI-USDT trading pair briefly materialized, visible for just a moment before vanishing. A testnet is where developers experiment with new features before they go live. Once that initial sighting was shared, the story took on a life of its own. It spread like wildfire through social media platforms, especially on X and Telegram. Influencers and crypto commentators picked up the story, amplifying it to their thousands of followers. What makes this rumor so believable is the sheer size and passion of the Pi Network community. Amidst all this chaotic excitement and widespread speculation, the two most important voices have remained conspicuously silent. Let's start with Binance. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange has a very clear policy. They don't comment on rumors. This silence is standard procedure for them. The Pi core team has been slightly more direct. They have explicitly stated there is no official information regarding a Binance listing, urging their community to be wary of such speculation. This official vacuum of information creates a dangerous environment where speculation can run rampant. Until one or both parties make a clear official announcement, everything else is just noise. Rumors in the crypto world don't just create conversation, they have a very real impact on an asset's price. The speculation caused a massive 155% spike in trading volume for Pi. The token's current price is hovering around 44 cents, which represents a staggering 85% decline from its all-time high of $3 in February 2025. This creates a precarious situation. If August 15th comes and goes with no announcement, the primary reason for price stability will disappear, which could lead to a sharp correction. With such a massive community, many wonder why Pi isn't already listed. One primary hurdle is Pi Network's stringent KYB requirement, know your business, that they demand from exchanges. Typically, the dynamic is reversed. Projects must bend over backward to meet the exchange's standards, not the other way around. Most projects don't have the leverage to impose such terms on Binance. Another critical issue is the state of Pi Network's tokenomics and mainnet. Until Pi's mainnet is fully open and its tokenomics are crystal clear, it presents a risk that Binance might be unwilling to take. Crypto experts believe a listing is possible but not imminent, suggesting a timeline closer to 2026 or 2027. This will only happen if Pi Network meets several critical milestones. First, it must transition to a fully open mainnet. Second, the project needs absolute clarity on its tokenomics. This transparency is essential for building trust and proper valuation. For investors, the most important skill is learning to separate verifiable facts from speculative fiction. Always go directly to official sources. Be extremely skeptical of screenshots or insider information. Whether Pi gets its Binance listing on August 15th or years from now, its success will depend on the strength of its technology, not on speculative hype. The best approach is to watch, wait, and learn.